Hey, what's up guys? Picking up exactly where we left off from the last Webisode. This is Webisode 43 and we are at BRM Cycles out here in Kumeu. And I've just picked up my bike and we have done some stuff. We've got some new handlebars, nice and wide, and more importantly, some fancy new brakes. These are Shimano XTs, they should be a lot better than what came on there. But yeah, no, I'm pretty stoked. It feels pretty mean, and we will be riding this weekend. I did order some tyres online because being an older bike, it's having some dramas with getting parts for older sizes. So yeah, we're going to get onto that pretty soon. But yeah, the other thing that we're doing here at BRM is we're actually talking with a dude here. We're thinking maybe that you guys want some mountain bike specific content, like maybe 5 things to look at if you're buying a second-hand bike, or 5 basic maintenance things to keep your bike rocking all the time. So that's another thing that we're going to be doing here. But yeah, if you're in the area, we're heading out to Woodhill, stop in, there's lots of sweet aftermarket parts, and the service dudes are really good. It's not listening. But yeah, that's about it really. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get some pizza. Alright, morning all. We're at 4:40. Grassy's here. Got a bit more of a crew. There were a few more here. We've actually been here a little bit, but it was a stressful morning, so I just wanted to get stuck in and get riding. A couple of updates on the bike. Got new rear brake, works amazingly now that I've done one run and bedded it in. Got new tyres, they were a pain in the ass, but they're very sticky. But yeah, these guys are still warming up, and this is my second run, so I'm just warming up too. So we're just going to do some of the easy tracks, get used to the bike and things of that nature. So we'll put you on the GoPro and we'll show you, what's the name of this track?
Low pressure and...
What one are we doing? That one?
Sub-dub. Sub-dub goes into low pressure.
So this is sub-dub into low pressure, and we'll put you on the GoPro. Actually, let us know in the comments if you want to see some standalone full run GoPro videos of some of these tracks, because we're filming it anyway, so I can just upload those as just full runs, but I'll just for now put in the interesting stuff and when Grassy crashes. Alright, this is the GoPro. This is 1080 at 50 frames in Super View, and I'll make sure I put the bit rate nice and high this time so it looks nice. Got my bag, got my bike, got my Viewmaster. What happened?
I don't know. I can tell you.
Okay, so that was the second run of the first trek that we did, and I was feeling a lot more confident, but with confidence comes stupidity. So, Grassy, why are you running away? Oh, because there's a car coming. So, with confidence comes stupidity. So you'll see there was a couple of bits where we slipped out a wee bit, but we made some new friends. One's got a very cute bum. Actually, they both do, to be fair. So now that we've got confidence up, Grass, we'll try a different track. We're going to try a different track. So we'll jump back in the truck, and up we go. Actually, the way that this is set up is real dope. They've got like a couple of 40-foot containers, a shed, and a couple of buses with bike racks. And it's super chill, and it's mean, and it works, and it's just a bit of a ways to get to, because this took like, it's a bit of a ways to get to, but it's worth it. You're not waiting for me?
Come on.
Oh shit! Haha! This is awesome! These turns are awesome! Oh, I taste that. You right?
That was a heavy fall, bro. Are you winded or? You winded?
I don't know what I am. I'm winded.
Alright, what's the chance?
Oh yeah. Woo! That's not right.
Fires up ends a little bit.
Oh yeah. That was a good one.
That's sweet. That's good.
Man down. So it's not a light fall. If you
Yeah, that was a heavy fall. Goodie. That was a heavy fall. Alright, let's get the
Still a bit loose on my feet.
Right. Alright.
Was that good winding? Yeah, I was wondering if you were winded or bent. I was winded and bent and everything.
It looked like you'd done something real drastic because the look on your
We
face.
don't have the right size.
What? Is it Alan?
Yeah, it is Alan, but it's not the right size.
Yeah, it
They're all
is.
different.
I didn't see what happened. I saw him go off.
Came up here and then just like, dude, and I don't know why he came off.
He just rebound as well.
He started skidding here.
Yeah,
look.
no, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Oh, look, maybe it was sideways. Maybe he had his handlebars sideways already.
I don't know. Oh, should we keep going, Grass?
Oh, totally.
Okay.
That was me.
Do you want to leave?
Hopefully nothing on him is broken though, that's we're all good then.
Wait for us. Wait, I've got foliage!
How you feeling, man? You alright?
Yeah, I'm all good. Sweet. Straight.
Straight enough.
We should pull it apart at the bottom though. Is it a workshop thing, Michigan? That was a heavy stack, man. That was probably the heaviest so far. I haven't had a heavy stack like that for a long time since I broke my arm. Alright. For Uppy. It's just table.
I'm having trouble breathing a little bit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, every time we get to the bottom, we've had a sandwich and a blowjob.
Yeah, a blowjob would be good.
Go.
Canadian blowjob.
Holy shit. Alright team, that was probably our last run for the day, and unfortunately I did not take the GoPro because I was saving it for the last run, but that was the last run because Grassy went straight smack into a tree and I was right behind him and it was hilarious. But look, this is the track. They put you on the bus and they put your bikes on the thing and you just roll up and you just buy like a shuttle pass and that's me. And there's a workshop and there's a shop. You can buy a nice cold drink. There's very lovely staff. And there's a barbecue, so next time we're bringing barbecue food for sure. But we need to get a photo for Grassy's Instagram. So my bike's feeling awesome. All of the new stuff worked out really, really well. The brakes are feeling amazing, so there's a lot more confidence. I just need to sack up and go faster and do some of those jumps because they're a lot of fun.
Good.
Photo time!
You're doing a...
Alright, let's just do a photo. We'll just
Alright. Yeah.
Sweet.
Wait, one more for... one more.
Thanks for watching. If you thought this video was cool, give it a thumbs up. If you thought it was shit, give it a thumbs down. And if you want to see more of this, hit that subscribe button. I don't know what the next webisode is. It might be riding, it might not. But if you subscribe, you'll find out. Thanks for watching.